It is Saturday, June 15th, 2019, here at Fisher Family Farms. And this is the 4-row cone roller that we built years ago. But we went and put hydraulic motors on it because it would not, they just won't turn all the time. You have got to turn a hydraulic cone roller, in my opinion, if you want it to work wet condition, dry condition. But as you can see, it is just doing an absolutely beautiful job. We don't use middle busters. I mean, we're using middle busters and not disc hippers. And it just really looks good, as you can see. And really doing a great job.